Hey friends, I'm finishing my puzzle. This is all I've got left of this really pretty puzzle. Yes, of course I'll show you a good picture of it when I'm done. Well, how is everyone doing? Thanks for stopping by well, it's night for me. Whatever time it is for you, thank you. Appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. Excuse me. Well, on Memorial Day, I made the mistake of going to Goodwill, but I don't know. It might not be any good day to go to that particular Goodwill. They've opened a new store next to it where it used to be a 99-cent only store. And I couldn't get over the amount of people going in there. It was some kind of Asian produce. And the Vietnamese people going in there, I'm thinking, maybe to go over there. Maybe they got deals on produce or something. It said produce, but it also had Vietnamese writing on the front of the building, so I really can't tell you. I suppose it's groceries. But my gosh. Super duper packed. Super duper packed. Yeah. Well, I went in Goodwill, and Goodwill was pretty well packed too. But the people from that Asian store was parking far away even. I had to wait to back out when I was leaving because there was a good amount of people walking in the back of the car. Gosh. Well, the Goodwill was pretty crowded. The shoes were 50% off and the toys. The toys were almost totally wiped out except for the plush, the stuffed animals. I didn't want any of those. I did see 2 brand new puzzles, but they were ugly, so the pictures were pretty blah. They weren't colorful, so nah. Well, is this something? No, I don't know if this piece is here. Now, this was a brand new puzzle that I got for $4.99, and I'm going to tell you about this Jigsaw Puzzle Factory. If you ever see puzzles by Jigsaw Puzzle Factory, or if you live near Buena Park, California, is that Buena Park? That can't be. It's got to be Buena Park. Anyway, it's close enough. And yeah. It's worth going over to Knott and Lincoln, if I'm not mistaken. That's across the streets. Pretty sure. The Howdy Bargain Center. Now, the puzzles are a fantastic price. The rest of the place, some stuff's more than Dollar Tree, so no. But there's some stuff that you can find there that maybe you don't know where to find. There's another store I've got to get to in Anaheim and check it out real soon. See if they have any puzzles. But I'm real pleased with this. And I've got some others in the closet. And I looked at them last night that I got at the same store. But they are they're different brands. So I really don't know, but I mean, this Jigsaw Puzzle Factory, yes please. Except that I've got to find a piece. Oh well. Well, and well. Yeah, where is this piece, my friends? Okay, put that over there. That's empty. Okay, there's nothing more in the box. Check the trays. Check the obvious. Oh my gosh, well, I sat right here. I don't know. Check this, because sometimes it goes underneath here. This poster, well, my friends, I do not know. I don't have it. I'm missing a piece, and this was brand new. Brand new. I moved the garbage over. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Just in case that I was... No? I thought just in case I left it in the bag. No? I got a garbage can right here, but... No? Well, shoot! That's upsetting. Very upsetting. Well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't have it. I don't have that. Alrighty then. Well, I'm missing a piece. Nothing is in this box. It's empty. Well, that's a huge disappointment. I had told you if you see the Jigsaw Puzzle Factory, go for it. But now that they're missing pieces, it was brand new. Never been opened. Because they stay together. I mean, look at this. Let's see if there's anything under there. No, nothing there. Well, I don't know. Nothing, my friends, nothing. Well, that's a disappointment. Excuse me. That is such a disappointment. Well, I don't know. I don't have that. Okay, well, I appreciate y'all stopping by today, and I will see you soon. What's next? Bye.